Example 4, solve this linear inequality by graphing and pick one solution and one non-solution to give as an example. So first, in order to do the graphing part of this, we have to get both of the inequalities in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to rewrite the x minus y greater than 5 in slope-intercept form. So subtract x on both sides. I have negative y is greater than negative x plus 5. I have to get y by itself, so divide by negative 1 on both sides. So I have y, and then since I divided everything by a negative, I have to switch my inequality symbol to less than. And I have negative x divided by negative 1 is just x, or 1x. And then 5 divided by negative 1 is negative 5. So my slope here is 1 over 1, and my y-intercept is negative 5. Okay, so when I start my graph, I start at negative 5, and slope tells me to go up 1 over 1 to the right. Right, and then to extend the line even further, I have to go down 1, left 1. Right, since the inequality symbol here is less than, has no or equal to sign, that means that the line isn't a solution to this inequality, so it's dashed. I'm going to draw a dashed line. Okay, and then to figure out shading, I'm plugging in this origin point 0, 0 to see if I shade above the line or below the line. So if 0 is less than 0 minus 5, so 0 is less than negative 5. And 0 is not less than negative 5, so I have to shade everything that's not this 0, 0 point, so everything below the line. Alright, and then I do the same thing for the other inequality. I have to get it in slope-intercept form first. So subtract 3x on both sides. So I have y is less than or equal to negative 3x minus 1. So my slope here is negative 3, and my y-intercept is negative 1. So my graph starts at negative 1, and then slope is negative 3 over 1. So I go down 3 to the right 1. And then to extend the line even further, I have to go up 3 to the left 1. Alright, and then I figure out my line. Since my inequality is less than or equal to, the solution is the line is part of the solution, so it's a solid line. Okay, so now to figure out which way I shade, I'm plugging in this 0, 0 point to see if I shade to the right of the blue line or to the left of it. So I have 0 is less than or equal to negative 3 times 0 minus 1. So I know that negative 3 times 0 is just 0. So if 0 is less than or equal to negative 1, and this is false. 0 is not less than or equal to negative 1, so I can't shade the side on the right. I have to shade the side on the left of the blue line. Okay, so my solution to the system is everything in this orange color. So that's the area, that's the solution, and this line right here. Everything else, so the pink, the white, the yellow, is not a solution. So an example of a solution would be like negative 3, negative 11. So that is a solution since it's in this red area. Everything else is not. So for example, a non-solution could be 8, negative 2.